Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in today's video, I am going to discuss the solution of a mathematics question that was asked in one of the shifts of JEE Main 2025 April session exam. This question is based on the topic of three-dimensional geometry. It says, if the equation of the line passing through the point 0, minus 1 upon 2, 0 and perpendicular to the lines are equal to lambda into inside the bracket I plus aj plus bk bracket closes and r equal to I minus j minus 6k plus mu into inside the bracket minus bi plus aj plus 5k bracket closes is x minus 1 whole divided upon minus 2 equal to y plus 4 whole divided upon d equal to z minus c whole divided upon minus 4, then a plus b plus c plus d is equal to. Now students, in this question, we have been given three lines. I am calling the first line as L1 and this is given by r equal to lambda into I plus aj plus bk. The second line I am calling as L2. Its equation is given by r equal to I minus j minus 6k plus mu times minus bi plus aj plus 5k. And the equation of the third line is given in 3D form and it is x minus 1 whole divided upon minus 2 equal to y plus 4 whole divided upon d equal to z minus c whole divided upon minus 4. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, it is given that the line L3 is passing through the point 0, minus 1 upon 2, 0. So that means the coordinates of this point must satisfy the equation of the line L3. So I can write 0 minus 1 whole divided upon minus 2 equal to minus 1 upon 2 plus 4 whole divided upon d equal to 0 minus c whole divided upon minus 4. So from here we get 1 upon 2 equal to 7 upon 2d equal to c upon 4. Now students, if I compare the first and last term of this equality, I get c equal to 2. And if I compare the first two terms of this equality, I get d equal to 7. Now we have got the values of c and d. Now we move towards finding the values of a and b. In the question, it is given that line L3 is perpendicular to both the lines L1 and L2. So that means the direction ratios of the line L3 must be proportional to the direction ratios of the vector which is perpendicular to both the lines L1 and L2. Now students, we will find the vector which is perpendicular to both the lines L1 and L2. And this vector is given by the determinant. In the first row we have ijk. In the second row we have 1a and b, and in the third row we have minus b, then a, then 5. Now let's find the value of this determinant. It becomes I into inside the bracket 5a minus ab. Then we have minus j into inside the bracket it is 5 plus b square, and then we have plus k into inside the bracket it is a plus ab. Right? Now students, the direction ratios of this vector are proportional to the direction ratios of the line L3. So that means now I can write 5a minus AB whole divided upon minus 2 equal to minus inside the bracket B square plus 5 whole divided upon D, and D here is 7, and this is further equal to A plus AB whole divided upon minus 4, right? Now students, we will find the values of A and B from this equality. Now we move further. Now students, if I compare the first and last terms of the above equality, then I get 10A minus 2AB equal to A plus AB. So from here I can write 9A equal to 3AB, or 3A minus AB equal to 0. So if I take out A common, inside the bracket I get 3 minus B, and this is further equal to 0. So from here we conclude that either A is equal to 0 or B equal to 3. Now students, A equal to 0 is not possible, because when you put A equal to 0 in the above equality, then B square becomes equal to minus 5. And since B is a real number, so B square cannot be negative. Hence, A equal to 0 is rejected. Right? And B equal to 3 is accepted. Now, if I put B equal to 3 in the above equality and compare its last two terms, then I get minus 14 upon 7 equal to A plus 3A, which is 4A, divided upon minus 4. So from here we get minus 2 equal to minus A, or A equal to 2. Now students, we can easily find the value of A plus B plus C plus D, and it is 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7, which is equal to 14. Hence, option C is the correct one. Now students, next question I will discuss in tomorrow's video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.